Hello everyone and welcome to the KMTRADERS channel. So we're looking at Usdjpy here. My bias for the short term is to the downside, but the long term I want to discuss afterwards is the the long term move to the upside. So what I'm looking at here is a clear push to the downside, which you can obviously see by the end of the week. I'm looking for one more push, to the downside. So we could get a retracement, and we could violate the trend line here. And then one more push and we need to clear this level here. So that's basically the short-term level that I'm looking for. It can happen at any level. We could be looking at this resistance level here. If this does obviously test, so that's essentially where I'm looking at for some potential sells. Now the other thing that I wanted to look at is if this does play out, I won't be looking to hold this selling position for too long. Purely this is because my long-term bias is more towards the upside. So my key confirmations for this is to clearly break this trend line here. And once we do that, if we do see a lot of strength in this, then I'll be confident enough to take a buy position, and I will be looking to target at least this level in the market here. Oops. So this is obviously quite high, but this is what I mean by the long-term move. It will take some time to get to this point. And again, it just depends how far this drops, of course, in terms of the last move. So in terms of if we were to take from this arrow here, long-term move 480 pips, 400 pips. For the short-term move, if we were to take a sell from the resistance to the last low, so 100 pips. So there is a lot of potential here, and again, it's just what your risk appetite is and what your your own analysis and your own risk management plan is. So that's all I'll be looking for Usdjpy over the next few days or so. If there are any updates, we will let you know about it. So if you're new to this channel or you're a new trader, we have a trading group that you can join. That link is in the description below, and I highly recommend you to join it. It gives you a bit of an insight of exactly how we're looking at the charts, and it's just really there to help you see the way that we trade, and obviously I hope it helps you out as much as it can. So if you do have a message for if you do have a question for us, message us on our Instagram, which is at KMTRADERS. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. If you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, of course. And finally, thank you very much for listening to this video, and you see you guys all in the next one.